So you want to fix your Instagram notifications. Let's run through some steps to definitely get your notifications showing up and working properly. Now, the very first thing that we'll want to do is check to make sure you don't have any focus mode turned on, like Do Not Disturb. So let's swipe down from the top right, and you can see here I have a work focus mode turned on. You just want to toggle that off because that will mute any kind of notifications that you might be expecting on Instagram. So turn that off as the first step. The next step that we'll go through is we'll go into our settings here and then tap where it says notifications. And then we will scroll down until we find Instagram right here. Tap on Instagram and you want to make sure allow notifications at the top is turned on and all of these are turned on. So sounds, badges, banner style. You want to make sure lock screen, notification, and banners are all toggled on. So turn everything on so that you'll receive notifications on your phone. Now let's go back and scroll back up here. And you want to make sure where it says show previews right here, that it is either showed when unlocked or always. If that's set to never, then it will never show you any of those previews or notifications. So go through these steps, and then the last step that we'll go through is in the Instagram app itself. So let's scroll out of here and open up the Instagram app. And we will tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now we'll tap on settings and notifications at the very top. Now you can see here you get notification options for a lot of different things. So if you're not getting notifications for messages, you can go to messages and make sure that's toggled on. If you're not getting it for posts, stories, or comments, you can go in here and make sure that all of these notifications are toggled on so that you'll be able to receive those notifications, and they should be working at this point. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.